good morning. Welcome back to our class. Hope you all are doing good and following our previous classes. So in our previous class, we have done a problem related to SRS WOR. That means we will not get any repeated values. We have drawn the sample by using the population values without replacements. So today we will do a problem related to SRS WR, that is with replacement. So coming to the question, so read the question. The population of size 3. So there are 3 units in the population, that is with values 2, 3, 5. So 2, 3, 5 are the population values. Now draw all the possible samples of size 2. So we have to draw all the possible samples of size 2 and it is mentioned with replacement. So with replacement means we are going to use SRS WR. So in SRS WR, what are the possible number of samples? The possible number of samples in SRS WR is capital N power small n. What is the capital N value? That is the number of values in the population, that is 3 powered. What is the size, sample size we have to draw? 2. So 3 square is nothing but 9. So if we use the technique of SRS WR, with 3 values of sample size 2, we are going to get total 9 samples. So we will be drawing all the 9 samples and verify, and we have to verify the following things. The first one is sample mean is unbiased estimator of population mean. So this is the first theorem, that is sample mean means yn bar equals to capital Yn bar, that is expectation of Yn bar. Unbiased estimator means expectation of small yn bar equals to capital Yn bar. Here small yn bar is the sample mean and capital Yn bar is the population mean. So coming to the second bit, sample mean square is an unbiased estimator of population variance. So SRS WR, expectation of sample mean square, that is expectation of small s square, will be equals to sigma square. So in our theorems also we have done, if it is SRS WOR, expectation of s square equals to capital S square. But in case of SRS WR, expectation of small s square equals to sigma square, that is a population variance. So in SRS WR, we will be getting the repeated values and the total population is considered. That's why we will get sigma square. Whereas in without replacement, we will draw the samples where we will not get the repetitions. Here we will get the repetitions. So expectation of s square equals to sigma square. That is the second bit. And third bit we need to verify is verify sampling variance with the variance of sampling means. Sample variance means we will use the variance formula only, that is s square formula 1 by n summation yi minus y bar whole square. So instead of 1 by n means the total samples, here we are finding the sampling variance by using the sample mean values. By using the sample mean, that is yi bar as your yi value is minus capital Yn bar whole square. Similarly like the before problem only. So this should be equal to whatever the value you have find in sampling variance should be equal to variance of sample mean. Sample mean variance in SRS WR is given as n minus 1 by capital N into s square by small n. So we need to verify all this. So to verify all this, first we need the population mean and population variance sigma square values and also s square value, that is population mean square. So we will be finding all these 3 population values first and then we will draw the required samples. So coming to the solution. So first it is given n equals to 3. So write all the population values, that is write the 3 values yi's, and for that you do the square square. are finding the population mean square and sigma square values. So what are the y values? 2, 3 and 5. And yi square, square it, 2 square, 4, 3 square, 9, 5 square, 25. So add these values, 5 plus 3 plus 2, 5 plus 5, 10. That is summation yi equals to 10. Summation yi square, this is summation yi square value equals to 25 plus 9, 34, 34 plus 4, 38. So you get 38. So this is the sample means, so population yi and population yi square values. First we will find this population mean. So population mean, it is denoted with capital YN bar and is equals to 1 by n summation yi. So 1 by n means the population values. How many population values you have? 1 by 3 into summation yi is 10. So 10 by 3 is nothing but 3.33. So this is your population mean, that is capital YN bar. Next you will find population variance. So population variance, it is denoted with sigma square and it is equals to 1 by n summation yi square minus y bar square. So 1 by n is 1 by 3 into summation yi square is 38. So 38 by 3 minus y bar square is 3.33 whole square. So solve this one, you will get the sigma square value as 1.56. So sigma square equals to 1.56. Next you will find population mean square. So population mean square, it is denoted with capital S square and is equals to 1 by n minus 1 summation yi square minus n into y bar square. So 1 by 3 minus 1 into summation yi square is 38. So 38 minus n into, that is 3 into y bar square is 3.33 whole square. So 38 minus 3 into 3.33 square divided by 2, you will get the answer as 2.36. So capital S square equals to 2.36. So these are the population mean value, that is yn bar, and population variance sigma square and population mean square capital S square. So in SRSWR, what are the total number of possible samples? Possible samples is capital N power n, that is 3 square is 9. So total we will be getting the 9 samples. So now we will draw all the 9 samples first. So first column we will write the sample number. In the second column we will write the sample values. Only 2 values, so no need of so much space. Sample values. Next is sample mean. So sample mean, it is denoted with yi bar. So right here yi bar in the brackets. Now we got sample mean also. Next is SI square. So in our previous problem, I have directly calculated the SI square values. So few of you might be getting confused how to draw those samples and how to draw those SI square values. So for that, I am creating a column in this problem. So if you draw a column, so by taking the summation of that, you can easily find the SI squares. So what is SI square formula? 1 by n minus 1 into summation yi square minus y bar whole square. summation yi minus y bar whole square. Next is for the sampling variance, that is for the third bit, we want the yi bar minus capital Yn bar whole square value. So these are the 4 columns we need. These are the 5 columns we need for the calculation purpose. The first, how many samples you have? 9 samples. So write 9 sample numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So sample values. So here we are using the concept of width replacement. So values will be repeated. What is the first value? 2. So let's start with 2 and it will be repeated, right? First we write 2, 2. Next value is 2, 3. Next is 2, 5. Similarly, now start with 3. So that you will get 3, 2, 3, 3 and 3, 5. Similarly, for the third value, that is 5, you will write 5, 2, 5, 3 and last 5, 5. So this is the drawing of sample for simple random sampling with radius. Now coming to the sample mean. Sum of observations by number of observations. So 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 by 2 is 2. So you will get sample mean value as 2. Next 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 by 2 is 2.5. Next 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 by 2 is 3.5. Next 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 by 2 is 2.5. 3 plus 3 is 6 by 2 is 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 by 2 is 4. 5 plus 2 7 by 2 is 3.5. 5 plus 3 8. 8 by 2 is 4. 5 plus 5 10. 10 by 2 is 5. Now find SI square value. So SI square value, how do you find? Is equals to 1 by n minus 1. So n minus 1 means 2 minus 1 into, open the bracket, it is a summation of 2 values. 1 by n summation yi minus y bar whole square. So yi means the sample values, that is 2 minus yi bar is 2. 2 minus 2 whole square plus summation, right? So plus the second value 2 minus 2 whole square. So this is the first value, 2 minus 2 is 0. This is also 0. 0 by anything 0. So first value you will get it as 0. So coming we will see the second one. Second value what you will get, which is equals to 1 by n minus 1, that is 2 minus 1 into, consider the second sample. In second sample, what is the first value? 2. So 2 minus, what is the corresponding mean? 2.5. 2 minus 2.5 whole square plus the second value 3 minus 3.5 whole square. So this is the SI square value. You have to use the formula for each and every sample. You have 2 values, so you will be adding the 2 values. So second value 2 minus 2.5 is 0.5 square plus here also 3 minus 2.5. 3 minus 2.5 is also minus 2.5. So minus 0.25 square plus 0.5, you get 0.5 only. 0.5 divided by 2 minus 1 is 1. So this answer will is 0.5. Next coming to third value. How will you find the third value? 1 by 2 minus 1 as it is. What is the first value? 2. So 2 minus 3.5. Here the corresponding name is 3.5. So 2 minus 3.5 whole square plus 5 minus 3.5 whole square. So this is SI square. So you have to find all the SI squares as usual. Now coming to the next column, yi bar minus capital Yn bar. So yi bar is the sample mean. So 2 minus capital Yn bar is the population mean, that is 3.33. So 2 minus 3.33 answer as 1.7689. So similarly, you will be finding all the values, that is complete the column values, SI square values and the yi bar minus capital Yn bar whole square values. So by completing all the column values, we will get the summation SI square as 14, summation yi bar minus capital Yn bar whole square equals to 7.0001 and summation yi bar equals to 30. So these values I will read out once if you are not able to see. The first value of SI square is 0, second value is 0.5, third value is 4.5, next value is 0.5, 0, 2, 4.5, 2 and 0. So now we will start verifying the given problem. So what is the first bit? First bit we have to verify sample mean is an unbiased estimator of population mean. So coming to the first bit, what is the first bit? We need to prove expectation of Yn bar equals to capital Yn bar. So now consider expectation of small yn bar. So expectation of any value is nothing but the mean of that value or the average of that value. So expectation of small yn bar. So 1 by, that is capital N power n, because total number of samples into summation I equals to 1 to n power n. We have total values n power n, so we write summation I equals to 1 to n power n into yi bar. So what is n power n value? 3 square, that is 1 by 9 into yi bar. Summation yi bar is 30. So 30 by 9 is nothing but 3.33. So this 3.33 is the value of capital Yn bar. So therefore, sample mean is unbiased estimator of population mean. So this is the first bit. We have verified the first bit and it is true that the sample mean is an unbiased estimator of population mean. And second bit we need to prove. So second bit we need to prove sample mean square is unbiased estimator for population variance. So expectation of small s square should be equals to your sigma square value. Now consider expectation of s square equals to expected value of anything is nothing but the average. So 1 by n power n summation I equals to 1 to n si square. This value summation si square is 14. So 1 by 9 into 14. So 14 by 9 you will get the answer as 1.56. 1.56 is nothing but the sigma square value. So therefore sample mean square is an unbiased estimator of population variance. So in SRS WR, always sample mean square is unbiased estimator of population variance. Whereas in SRS WOR, sample mean square is unbiased estimator for population variance. Now coming to the third bit. What is the third bit? In third bit we have to find the sampling variance and the variance of sample mean. So sampling variance, how we will find? We will use the variance formula for the sample mean values. So first find the sampling variance. Sampling variance is equals to 1 by, so total n power n samples 1 by n summation I equals to 1 to n power n into yi bar minus capital Yn bar whole square. So we got the summation yi bar minus capital Yn bar whole square value, that is 1 by 9 into 7.0001. So you will get the sampling variance value as 0.78. So while copying the problems also, you keep doing the problems and verify these answers. So don't forget to practice the problems. Now next we have to find variance of sample mean. Variance of sample mean. That is variance of Yn bar in SRS WR. So what is the formula for the variance of sample mean in SRS WR? N minus 1 by capital N into capital S square by small n. So capital S square value we already got the capital S square value as 2.58, I think. Yeah, 2.36. So 2.36 is the population mean square value. Now substitute all the values. Capital N is 3. So 3 minus 1 by 3 into S square value is 2.36 divided by small n value is 2. 2 gets cancelled. 2.36 divided by 3, you will get the answer as 0.78 only. So therefore, sampling variance is equal to variance of sample mean. Therefore, sampling variance is equal to variance of sample mean. So this is the problem related to SRS WR. So first bit, second bit and third bit, all the three bits are verified. In our previous problem, we have also done the fourth bit, that is variance of y bar is less than variance of Yn bar SRS WR. Now you just after this problem just verify, just try to verify this one also, that is variance of Yn bar in SRS WOR is less than variance of Yn bar in SRS WR. So we already have WR answer. To find out the answer for variance of sample mean under SRS WOR and verify whether that is equal to the answer we got. So in SRS WOR, always the mean will be less compared to SRS WR. So this is a problem related to SRS WR, and we have finished the problems for SRS WOR and WR. In the previous problem, we have directly got the SI square values. We have directly written the SI square values. If you feel confusion, you can do the first problem also in this procedure. So in our fourth column, we took SI square values, right? So that SI square values you can calculate for the previous class problem also. Then it will be easy for you to draw the SI square values. So this is our class today, and in tomorrow's class we will start a new topic.